XingTai, China. The heart of China's seal strip industry. Come inside an EPDM seal strip factory. At Hafwang Sealing, we turn raw material into reliable seals. We start with virgin EPDM and silicone. No reclaimed rubber, no filler. Only pure materials for consistent performance. Each batch is tested before it enters production. The compound is extruded into continuous profiles with tight tolerances. Then it goes through microwave vulcanization. No joints, uniform cure. The result is a smooth, consistent seal strip. We can cut to length or coil it, whatever your project requires. We check hardness to meet your spec. Tensile strength? Our test shows 10.366 megapascals, well above industry requirements. Then the flex test. After 100,000 repeated bends, no crack. That's real durability. Low compression set means it keeps sealing year after year. Flame retardant, UN94V0, and IP67 waterproof, certified. We stock many profiles: bulb, D-shape, U-channel, custom extrusions. Over 10,000 existing molds. Need a custom shape? Tooling is fast. Small batch? No problem. We accept orders as low as 500 meters. And we offer free samples. Just pay shipping. Need reliable EPDM seals for outdoor cabinets, EV chargers, or 5G enclosures? Low MOQ, UL listed, IP67, and free samples. WhatsApp the word factory or visit linktr.e.Hafwang Sealing.